Despite battling addiction throughout his career, Johnny Cash never allowed it to hinder his musical output, releasing numerous albums. He sold more than 90 million albums across various genres like country, blues, gospel, and rock and roll. Known as the Man in Black, Cash passed away at 71 in 2003. Recently, his son John Carter Cash and former bandmate Marty Stuart discussed their experiences working with him on a new album set to release on June 28th. Reflecting on Cash, Stuart remarked, "Johnny Cash could cough better than most people could sing. Even his cough had character." Stuart, who spent extensive time with Cash, described him as his best friend and emphasized the behind-the-scenes learning experience. The upcoming album, Songwriter, features 11 songs recorded by Cash as demos in 1993. John Carter Cash explained that he initially held back releasing these recordings to honor his father's wishes, as Cash was highly critical of his own work. He highlighted the enduring beauty and strength in these recordings, which reveal Cash's mastery even in demo form. John Carter Cash further emphasized his father's vocal brilliance and the album's goal to amplify it, noting that even in these early recordings, Cash's voice remains powerful. Despite Cash's passing in 2003, his legacy endures through his music. With his last studio album, American Afore, The Man Comes Around, released in 2002.